Hi everyone, my name is James Millar and welcome to my course, AWS CloudFormation Templates, Getting Started. I'm a software development consultant and author from Bristol. CloudFormation templates allow you to define your infrastructure as code, giving you repeatable and reliable deployments and preventing environmental drift. In this course, we're going to explore some of the key features of CloudFormation that you can use to build templates for your own infrastructure. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include how to define resources, making your templates more reusable using parameters and outputs, expanding templates with mappings, and configuring resources using metadata. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of CloudFormation templates and be able to write effective, reusable templates of your own. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn AWS CloudFormation templates with the AWS CloudFormation Templates Getting Started course at Pluralsight.